Hi guys, this is Constance from Zuva. Today we're going to look at a category of income tax called SBC or small business tax, and this is specific to South Africa, and we're going to look at why this might be just the lifeline that your business needs. If you are a private company, or normally called a PTY, or a closed corporation, cooperative, or personal liability company, then this type of tax might just be what you need. The above mentioned companies may be classified as small business corporation if they meet requirements of being such. Let us look at what is required for a company to be classified as a small business corporation in order to be able to get the tax treaties that SARS has to offer. All the holders of shares in a company or members of a closed corporation, cooperative, or personal liability company must at all times during a year of assessment be natural persons. A natural person is simply a human being distinguished from the broader category of a legal person. No holders of shares or members should hold any shares or have any interest in the equity of any other company other than companies as specified in the definition of small business corporation in section 12E subsection 4. The gross income of the entity for the year of assessment may not exceed 20 million and not more than 20% of the total of receipts and accruals other than those of a capital nature, and all the capital gains of the entity may consist collectively of investment income as defined in section 12E subsection 4 and income from rendering personal services as defined in section 12E subsection 4. The company may not be a personal service provider as defined in the fourth schedule. However, should that company employ 3 or more full-time employees throughout the year of assessment, and those employees are engaged in the business of rendering the specific services, then that company will be excluded from the personal service provider definition and therefore will qualify as a small business corporation. If you meet the above requirements, then indeed you are in a good space. The Small Business Corporation Tax Law allows for 2 concessions, the first one of which is that the company will be taxed at progressive rates. Now, as you know, most other entities get taxed at a flat rate, which in the current year is 27%. Now, the tax tables are published and available on SARS website, on the SARS website for small business corporation. And this is great because, for example, the progressive rates start from 7% and then they go up progressively. So you're not taxed at a flat 27%, but you've got the opportunity to enjoy lower brackets before you hit that 27% flat rate. Now, the second concession is the immediate write-off of all plant and machinery brought into use for the first time by the company for the purpose of its trade and used directly in the process of manufacture in the year of assessment. Furthermore, the company can elect to claim depreciation on its depreciable assets other than manufacturing assets acquired on or after 1 April 2005 at either wear and tear allowance of 40% in the first year of use and 20% in the ensuing 3 years as per section 11E. And then machinery, plant and implements, utensils and articles for new and unused machinery assets. If the machinery is not new and unused, an allowance of 20% per year over 5 years is available. An accelerated write-off allowance at 50% of the cost of the asset in the year of assessment during which it was first brought into use, 30% in the first succeeding year of assessment, and 20% in the second year of assessment is also available as an option. And so this means that SBCs can therefore choose to elect either the wear and tear allowance under section 11E or the accelerated allowance. And the tax law allows an SBC the flexibility to choose which option to elect according to what will work for them. This is probably quite a lot for you to take in, but don't stress. ZOA Financial Services provides a wide range of services. So why don't you reach out to us for an in-depth discussion should you require any additional support from us? You can call us, you can send us an email, or contact us via our website. We look forward to hearing from you.